Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Puri Nur Aini Agustin. I'm from Universitas Insan Cita, Indonesia. I'm in psychology, neuropsychology. Now I want to introduce about traditional values versus modern individualism, personal reflection. Today, I would like to share my personal thought about the conflict between traditional values and modern ideals of individualism. In many cultures, especially in Asian society, traditional values such as prioritizing family responsible are still very strong. However, these values sometimes conflict with modern ideals that impede personal ambition, self-development, and individual freedom. I will describe a real situation that I experienced as a teacher involving one of my students. This situation clearly show how traditional and modern values can clash and how difficult the discussion can be. The student name is Siva. She was one of my students at a vocational high school. Siva was an intelligent and polite student, but she often looked tired and unmotivated. Over time, her academic performance began to decline. At first, I thought the problem was related to her ability to learn, but after having several personal conversations with her, I realized the issue was much deeper. And then Siva came from a family that strongly believed in traditional values. Her parents believed that the most important responsibility of a child was to support the family, especially when the family faced economic difficulties. They expected Siva to help at home, take care of her younger siblings, and sometimes help with small family work after school. Education was considered important but not the top priority. From a traditional perspective, the parents' expectations were understandable. In many cultures, family comes before individual ambition. Children are taught to scarif their personal dream for the well-being of the family. Loyalty, obedience, and responsibility toward parents are seen as more values. From this point of view, Siva was doing the right thing by putting her family first. However, from a modern perspective, the situation was different. Modern values emphasize individuals' right, personal growth, and equal access to education. Education is seen as a long-term investment that can improve not only personal life but also the family's future. From this perspective, limiting Sifa's time, energy, and emotional support for education could prevent her from reaching her full potential. Sifa faced a serious dilemma. On one hand, she wants to continue her educational seriously and achieve her dream. She once told me that she wants to work in the health sector and help others. On the other hand, she felt guilty if she focused too much on school because her parents need her help at home. She felt torn between being a good doctor and being a student with a personal ambition. The discussion that was made was not entirely hers. In the end, Siva continues to prioritize her family responsibility. She still came to school, but her participation in extracurricular activities was limited and she often missed opportunities for additional training or competition. Her academic performance improved slightly with support from teacher, but not as much as it could have been if she had received full support at home. The consequence of this discussion were mixed positively. Siva mentioned a good relationship with her family. She was as a responsible and obedient daughter. This strength family harmony, which is highly followed in the traditional culture. And however, there were also negative consequences. Siva often felt exhausted, emotionally pressured, and unsure about her future. She lacked confidence and sometimes felt that her dreams were not important. This emotional burn affected her motivation and self-esteem. As her teacher, I try to help by providing emotional support and encouragement at school. I reminded her that wanting a better future was not selfish. I also try to communication indirectly with her parents through school programs, embracing the importance of educational for long-term family welfare. Now, reflection critically on this situation, I believe the discussion was understandable but not fully just fit. I respect traditional values, especially the importance of family and collective responsibility. The will teach empathy, gratitude, and school social responsibility. However, I believe that traditional values should not complicated surprise individual potential, especially in education. In education, in my opinion, I believe should have have been found. Supporting the family and pursuing education should not be seen as opposite. With better communication and support system, Siva could have continued helping her family while still being encouraged to develop her ability and ambition. This experience taught me that culture values are complex and deeply rooted. There is no simple right or wrong answer. However, as educator and member of society, we must reflect critically on how discussion of, of affect young people's future. Respecting traditional is important, but empowering individuals is equally essential. In conclusion, the conflict between traditional values and modern individualism request thoughtful balance. Through this experience, I learned that education is not only about academic knowledge, but also about understanding culture, context, and supporting students as well individualism. Okay, this is thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.